Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to search for a file on your Shopify. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select this option right here called content. Now select files. Now see this option which says search and filter. Now select on this. Here you just need to write down your file name and you can search for your particular file. If you do not know your file name and if you know only its size, then you can select this option right here and enter the range of your file size, which is from the minimum size to the maximum size. And if you also don't know your file name, your file size, then you can also search your file by selecting the file type option, and you just need to tick the type of your file. That if it is image, then tick this, if it is video, then tick this, and many more like this. And that's how you guys can search your file on your Shopify account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.